All right, for this problem, the big idea is one-step equations. This is an example of a one-step equation. What makes it an equation is an equal sign, that something is equal to something else. What makes it one step is that there's one operation happening. There's 8 multiplied by m equals 96, so that's one step, and it's an equation. Another big idea is variables. A variable is a letter that represents a number. So in this case, m is the variable, that m represents a number. We need to figure out which of these numbers it represents. The strategy we're going to talk about here is guess and check. So there's another way to solve one-step equations, but what might be easier in this one is just guess and check. So for example, if we were going to guess 15 might be the answer. Let's see if it's 15. Now, we're going to have to take 15 and plug it into the m to see if this is going to make it true. One thing you need to understand with variables is if you put a number right by a variable, like 8m, that actually means 8 multiplied by m. So again, that's really crucial to know that 8m means 8 times that number. So we're going to do 8 times this number. So we're going to take m out and in its place put in 15, and we're going to see if this equals 96. So does 8 times 15 equal 96? If so, that's the answer. If not, that's not the answer. So let's multiply 8 times 15. You could do 15 times 8. That might be easier. And it looks like 8 times 15 is 120, not 96. And so we know it's not 15. So this is too big, so we might want to pick a smaller number. So we might try 14. So again, we'll take out the m, and in its place we'll put in 14. Does 8 times 14 equal 96? And let's check to see if it does. Still too big. So it's not 14. It's kind of a lot too big. So maybe we'll jump down to the smallest number they have. The smallest number they have is 12. Maybe let's try 12. Now some of you might know what 8 times 12 is, but if not, again, you could do 12 times 8 like this and try to figure this out. Ah, it is 96. There you go. So 12 was the number that when you plugged it in for the variable, made this equation work. So this was a one-step equation where it had a variable. The variable is m, and the m actually represented the number 12. Again, when you have a number and a variable right next to each other, that signifies that we're multiplying. So 8 multiplied by this number equals 96. The missing number was 12. There you go.